And you can see we have progress. I have 3 tomatoes in their buckets with lids on and their labels. I have 2 cucumbers down here the same way. Now all I need to do is add the water connections, and then I'll be stringing strings to the cucumbers because they are tall enough to need them. We decided we'd experiment with the inside garden instead, which is our greenhouse. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant a couple of zucchinis in here. We have no idea whether this will work or not, but if we don't try, we'll never know. And I'm actually doing 2 things at once. So I'm experimenting with this, but I'm also setting the greenhouse up on automatic, that's in quotes, for a couple of weeks here. We do have someone who's coming by to check on it to make sure that everything's working correctly. But basically, we're going to see if it works. We have a heater, we have a fan to keep that air circulated, and we're just going to see what happens. So, next thing, 2 zucchinis, actually 3 because there's one little one. But I'm going to cram them in here with some good potting soil. There we go. Zucchinis transplanted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a whole bunch of these plants in here somewhere, probably right here, with automatic watering while gone. And like I say, we do have a friend stopping by too. And I need to see what else. I think I have a couple of other plants that need to go somewhere too. So now I just need to figure out what else goes where. Hi guys, it's me again. So I decided that what I would do is I'd use this other pot that's behind me to put the 2 yellow squash that I have in there. I've already got it full with dirt, and that's what I'm going to do. There we go. Some of this is going to go outside. I've decided that. I'm going to put out some of the cabbage and stuff outside and just see if they make it or not. I've got empty spots in the straw bales where plants were killed by the freeze the other day. And I'm going to plop at least a few of these cabbage out there just to see if they make it or not. And everything else is going to be consolidated in this area here so that I can have it on a watering system while we're gone, and we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. This is kind of like a mystery movie. You never know what's going to happen until it happens. So I hope this inspires you to try things and keep a record. That's why I'm fussy about making sure that I know what varieties did what and that sort of thing, because not all varieties are created equal. And also in my notes I'll say what the weather did, because we've had some serious weather this year, totally doing weird things it wasn't supposed to do. So, until next time, have a great week. If you enjoy what you see, if you're interested in what kind of crazy shenanigans we're going to be doing here in the greenhouse and the garden this fall and winter, go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button, so that bell button rather, so that you can hit the like button too, but hit that bell button so that you'll receive notifications when we do new videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye.